Hello. Today is day 27. So I woke up this morning. My sore throat still dry. It's not as bad yesterday. Yesterday I do have my cold, clammy, limbs and basically feverish. But today it's just warm, not super feverish. But I've taken my Panadol and stuff and my lozenges to just moisten my throat. But I start coughing now. So you can still hear somewhat of my nasal stuffy nose, but my cough is a slight worrying thing because I shouldn't really exercise because I'll be panting because I'll be breathing. So I will still try to exercise a bit. If I really can't keep up and have cough, I'll just stop immediately and just rest. Okay. So yeah, I know exercise when you're sick is not a good idea, but for me it's to continue and to persist on with the determination because I'm not that bad that I'm bedridden and that I can't get out of bed. I mean, if that's the case, that's really really sick and you shouldn't do any exercise and let your body heal and rest and eat well. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with this music. Alright, let's pump it up. Hope my machine's still working well because of the resistant band. I've been kind of using it and it's like getting spoiled or something. Okay, let's do a bit stretching. This morning I was kind of a bit worried because now my flu is going to second phase. Oh wait, I forgot to do something. And close the flight mode so that I don't get message in and might sometimes cut the recording off. So, how to say, yeah. So I was a bit worried because usually my flu is like this. It will progress. It starts with sore throat, fever, or neck aches, and then cold, and feverish. Last phase will be cough, usually. So now I'm in that last phase where I'm starting to cough because there's phlegm build up in my lungs and throat. So you want to expatriate the phlegm and the mucuses. I can breathe, not like yesterday where it's very stuffy nose and blocked nose, but it's still somewhat there. I know I'm heaty, meaning I'm quite hot and feeling. I don't mean I'm very hot. I mean like I'm just very feeling warm and like feverish-ish. But having Panadol that helps to bring down that fever, and I keep drinking lots of water. Water that has supplements like electrolytes inside and stuff like that. I'm still eating one meal a day. Today, again, not a lot of appetite. So the salad, mushrooms, egg, what's inside? Oh, chicken. I did grill some chicken. Okay, the chicken, seaweed chicken and my chicken cutlets. So, yes, it's a bit heaty-ish. On the hindsight, maybe I shouldn't have taken it because, yeah, it's heaty. So, anyway, so I ate about maybe 4/5 of it. I cooked more than enough so that I can have some more tomorrow. So it's about 3/4 to maybe 4/5 of the normal amount that I eat every day. So yeah, when I'm sick I don't have a lot of appetite. Cause partly also food doesn't taste as great because it's a bit bland to me because of the blocked nose. It affects like tongue and taste sensation. Okay, let's pump it up. Okay, I'm using a new playlist today. It's called Workout EDM Playlist. Someone created it, and so let's play it. Let's hear how it goes. There's some new songs that I've not heard before, and hopefully it doesn't get flagged by the copyrights and then cut off that part that's playing the music. So that's why I'm trying to speak over it. Hopefully it doesn't get detected as I'm playing like as if the whole song in its entirety. Of course I don't mind if they mark it as copyrights and they don't mute it, so they can still advertise, in the way I'm advertising for them, which I don't mind. It's good because the songs are good for exercising, FUN-xercise. And so yes, I'm playing this new playlist. I don't remember trying it before. Have I? So yeah, yesterday, I guess again, I'm not in the frame of mind. So I thought yesterday was Saturday Then I realized that, oh no, it's actually Sunday, today is Monday. So yeah, because my sleeping pattern has been kind of like went astray. I slept late, woke up early, so tonight no, I'm not gonna sleep late. Yesterday luckily I slept early as well, about 11. So tonight as well I'll try to sleep early, and so that I can wake up early or have enough sleep. This morning I almost slept, wow, 8-9 hours. That's actually very long for me. Because if I sleep too long I do get headache. That's normal for me. Yeah. So this afternoon I saw, oh yeah, what time did I start? Oops. Okay, I've been cycling for 5 minutes. No, -2, so about 3 minutes. Okay. So 27 minutes more, which is roughly I'll start about 8:40 I guess. Okay, today I'll start at 8:40 because I started around 8:15-ish. Yeah. So yeah, this afternoon I saw some, again, I watched some documentary. I watched Ken Jeong's Netflix special. It's comedy. Basically Dr. Ken, the guy, Asian Korean dude with the small dick. Sorry, can I say that? In the Hangover movie, again, it's interesting how he shared about his life, and his special is called "You Complete Me Whole." So at first I thought, wow, again, like true to his comedian, he likes to be controversial and say a lot of vulgar words, or at least in America that's like normal, and F word and whole. But then I realized, oh, he's referring to his wife. But of course he's trying to play with the pun, right? Double meaning. So he's like saying whore as in whore, right? People who are prostitute and all. But his wife is last name, surname is Ho, H-O. And so it's okay for him legally, he says straight legal, to say things like hey ho and stuff like that because yeah, his wife's surname anyway. So I don't know if that's unfortunate or what. But hopefully as long as people don't say it in a negative intention. Yeah. It's like America, comedy, literally, you could just say and do shit and it's fine. Because it's all in the intention of comedy for a joke. So that's amazing. They can be as vulgar, as politically incorrect or correct or, as they wish. They can literally use comedy as a vehicle to deliver news, information, and in their own opinion, of course, and it's legal. And that's the interesting thing about America. In terms of freedom of speech, comedy is one of those that is an outlet that, yeah, they can get away with it, really get away with it. In Asia, not so much. People will still think that you are being, be it racist, politically not right, being biased, so on and so forth, even if you stand-up comedy in the context of joke. So it's a different culture, very different, yeah. So it's interesting, he was saying something like his previous joke that he said about Saudi Arabia, prince or king, and then so Netflix in Saudi Arabia banned that particular episode that criticized about his leadership and what the kind of thing he did for his citizen and stuff like that. So, oh well. And then there was an episode he was talking about, oh no, Ken Jeong, sorry, not talking about, forget what's his name. The show is called Patriot Act. Hassan, I think. Oh shit, sorry. I forgot. Is his comedian name called Hassan? He even appeared in, he got famous and like he was from some, I think, Comedy Central or something. And so, he was talking about the latest episode was on drugs, pricing, which is serious, man. People who are ill with diabetes type 2 needs insulin, and the insulin is like, my god, 20, 30 times, 100 times I think, more expensive than something that you get in Asia. Like one injection of the pen is $8, they will say $8 in Taiwan, and they have to buy it for $120 or $140 in the US. That's crazy. So yeah, the pharmaceutical industry is really quite whack somehow in the US, really whack. So you either better be fit, because I can imagine why the US, more and more people want to get fit, because getting sick is no joke. You know, if you have no insurance, that's it. You better be rich, or you better know someone. Otherwise, you're as good as dead. It's even more expensive to leave. That's what he said. Which is true, I think, if you do the math. But anyway, back to Ken Jeong. So his comedy, great. Sorry, before I go back, Ken Jeong. So Hassan did also touch on censorship in China. So, I don't know, man. He talked about Xi Jinping and, you know, how China was like really controlled and stuff. So that is a very sensitive topic. So, but, you know, although him being an Asian American and he's Muslim, yeah, it'll be interesting. Let's see in a later episode, does it turn out to be anything, you know, because now he's criticizing the second, or could be the biggest political power in the world, you know, China's president, or premier, I would say. So anyway, going back to Ken Jeong, I was saying, yeah, his comedy, he could really criticize everything, and again, he shouted out, and the thing is very interesting, it's more like a autobiography / comedy. So he's talking about his history, how he came from GP as a medical doctor and became a comedian, and he earns much more and became a millionaire for it. But he did it in like I said, it's the most controversial way. You know, he started in that movie Hangover Part 1, and his decision apparently to go naked. And that made him, you know, famous. So I guess, I don't know, some people may say, oh, okay, so American comedy or joke is about getting naked, you know, butt joke, dick jokes and stuff like that. It feels very low class or low brow. To each his own, right? I mean, even in the UK, their jokes are more, yes, I would say UK, Europe, the jokes are more high level thinking, like you really got to think. It's intellectual, but I think it comes to the level of joke. Again, every culture has its own level of appreciation. So, if private parts jokes is a hit, or it's something that most maybe laymen can appreciate and laugh with, then so be it. You know, but personally, yes, I appreciate the highbrow jokes, but sometimes it's very, very culture specific. I mean, even US as well, very culture specific. It will drop names, you know, politicians, comedians, actors, celebrities. That's only in America, or at least the famous ones around the world. So you are not in the media, you may not even understand or get what's that joke about. You know, same thing as well in UK. There are jokes. I mean, some are intellectual. Most of them are quite intellectual. I've seen a few of their comedians and stuff, and yes, they do make a lot of reference that European based. So if you are not living there or in that part of the world, the continent, you'll be like, huh? What are they referring to? Why is this so funny? Yeah. So jokes are fine, but it's not easy to get something that's universal. You know, like the whole world will laugh at it. I mean, something like say Mr. Bean. You know, Singaporeans can get it a lot because the way he acts, the way he do things. A lot of people say Mr. Bean is like the Caucasian Singaporean, because Singaporeans are like that, you know, very kiasu, which means are very afraid to lose, afraid to die. So Mr. Bean is acting up that kind of impulses. You know, he wants first, wants to get hit, wants to get the best for himself, and then also like selfish and stuff like that. But yeah, of course he has the soft part, right? Like him and his teddy bear, stuff like that. Ooh, I'm perspiring. That's good. About 20 minutes in, 15-20 minutes in. I'm perspiring on the right side, and I can still talk, and I can still breathe quite normally, not panting. Of course, I think I'm a bit more short breath than previously, than before I am, you know, sick. So it's still good, you know. That kind of also maybe is an indicator, I wonder, of my fitness level. Because in the past, if I'm sick, I'm really sick. I'll be coughing a lot, shortness of breath. It's terrible. I have to see a doctor, get antibiotics, cough medicine, stuff like that. So this episode, I only ate Panadol to keep my fever down. Have lozenges to soften the pain and moisturize, kind of like hydrate. So my throat is also dry and itchy or painful. And I'm going about my life. Although it's more lethargic, yes, I must say, when I say I'm more lethargic, my emotions are not very in check, more grumpy. Although you see now I'm happy and stuff because I'm exercising, But when resting, yeah, sometimes because of the sickness, I do get a bit more grumpy. That's just me, unfortunately. So people may easily rub me the wrong way, and I'll get a bit more worked up. But again, everyone has his own personality and character. I'm still working on mine. Okay, no one's perfect. I'm definitely not. So much that, yeah, I hope in the future I'll get more and more calm and more collected, more logical, less emotional, not so easily worked up, I guess, and not be grumpy and all when I'm sick. Okay, the music so far, okay. Tempo, yeah. Not high impact, which is fine because like I said, I'm not feeling the best. Still cycling a bit on the low side, 15 to 17 kilometers per hour. I'm not hitting like 20 this time. Yeah. My energy level is not as high as before. Again, I think my body is using all the energy to fight the virus that's waging war in my throat, in my lungs. Yeah. Again, exercise does make me feel more energetic. I think yesterday I was talking about joy de vie. So it feels like there's this joy de vie, like zest for life, joyful. When your body is exercising, endorphins is being released. So you feel more happy, more relaxed, and it's good. It's just a feel good feeling. Yeah. A lot of people who don't exercise because like they say, it's hot, you perspire, but that's the point. If you don't perspire, you're not really exercising, right? I don't know, maybe in the future, scientists will come up with a way that your body can still get the exercise muscles are like healthy and growing, and you won't be panting or perspire at all, if that's a possibility. I don't know if that's possible at all. I'm doing more moderate levels now. Ooh. You can feel the heat. It's not burning yet, but yeah, I do feel more lethargic somewhat. So, how has been your day? What kind of activity has you done? I've talked to a friend apparently, a university friend, this afternoon. I've been chatted online, and he's into fitness. And I think gym, if I'm wrong. So let's see, maybe I can collaborate with him. He wanted to collaborate with me. In fact, not say collaborate, he wanted me to join his contest. There's a contest about losing weight, and the most lost weight will get weight loss will get $1,000 and then $500 and so on and so forth. But I was telling him, not that I want to reject anything, but I kindly explained to him that me doing this is really for fitness, health. It's not a competition, number one. Then that's the point of FUN-xercise. It's not a competition. Because I think most people, when they're met with some things like this, where it's not a habit yet, and do it just because of competition, maybe the positive outcome is, yes, you do lose weight as much as you can just for the money. And that's the carrot, right? Previously I was saying about carrot stick. But then internally, you're not doing it willingly, and hence it may not stick. It may not stick. So meaning it may not last. You may maybe lose a lot of weight for a while, and then you go back to your old ways, and then you'll gain back. The yo-yo syndrome, So you've heard of so much about yo-yo syndrome in diets. So that's not good. In my case, he also asked me what's my motivation and trigger, which I explained to him. I did say in previous videos as well that death of my friend due to cancer, due to heart attack. My dad passed away with brain aneurysm a few years ago. My grandma passed away, failure of her organs, of her old age. She's like 90, I guess. And I got friends in-law who had diagnosed with cancer recently, and then they had to put their wedding plan a year ahead. So that's quite major for anyone, seriously. So so all these are really, it is emotional, but it drives the point very deep, and it's a wake-up call. I mean, I have friends who passed away in the past, but I don't know, this time it's just different. The feeling is just maybe quite a few things happened at the same time, really shook me up, triggered me, no. I'm reaching 40, maybe it's a midlife crisis also, that I'm not going to live the rest of my life going towards that disease or sickness that I saw friends around me, and they're young. They are like in the mid-40s. Some, I think the other one was like late 30s, or was it like early 40s? And that's it, it's gone. So it's like, oh, I'm only 1 year to 40. So I don't want to be diagnosed with all this, you know. But I don't know, right? Until I see the doctor end of the month on the 27th, and get my blood works, body composition check to see how am I doing. I am losing weight, but like I said, I don't want it to be a muscle mass loss. It should be fat, you know, losing the fats, and that would be better. And you should gain muscle mass, you know, because that helps your body much more. And once your muscle mass goes up, you get like your metabolic rate will go up, because now your muscle needs more to burn, and you burn your body easily. You don't feel cold easily. Your basal metabolism goes up, and therefore, I'm not saying this just to deliberately eat. I know people with high metabolic rate, so even how much they eat or the fattening stuff they eat, it easily does get burnt off. You know, there are people who have low metabolism, where if you eat more fats or carbs, wow, it sticks, man. It's very hard to get rid of it. You probably have to exercise a lot just to get rid of it. So I'm at that stage. I'm at the low metabolic. I just know it. Not just know, but maybe some years ago, when I did something like that, a test, they're telling me, yeah, my metabolic rate is just low. You know, so that's why, I don't know, maybe new science will explain about, maybe, is it genetic? You know, again, talk about genetic, I was also telling him the point, and also some other friend who actually messaged me privately, encouraging me, and was saying that, yeah, I lose more weight, and stuff like that. But the point is, again, weight loss, but what kind of weight is the important thing. More importantly is you get fit. There are people who can be big and bulky, but they're fit as an ox, you know, because they work out, be it their job, they do labor job, or like you said, they do work out, and so they are bulky, but they are healthy, right, internally, and then they eat healthy, they live healthy, stress-free, a little stress, they know how to manage their emotions, and manage the kind of food that they eat. So it's healthy food, veggies and stuff, lean meat, I guess, fatty meat, I guess. Now the new science of fats, there are good fats, okay, avocado, fatty fish, stuff like that. And so it's not, but of course you don't eat the bad kind of fats. But again, I need to find out more. You know, apparently it's not just as easy as HDL, LDL. There are triglycerides and other things. So I shared a few videos, I think yesterday or the day before. Take a look. I need to review again because it's quite dense and packed with a lot of scientific knowledge about diet, about the health, and how body process fats and sugars. So that will make, you know, kind of like make you more aware. Understand, okay, not all fats are the same. You need to eat more good fats, and that helps in your body, in your fitness, and less sugar, or even if possible no sugar, of course, and carbs as well, no starch and stuff like that, because they all will get processed and become sugars, simple sugars into the body. And of course there are different starches as well, and carbs. Some carbs are more refined and processed, and therefore very hard for body to break it down, to be absorbed, and you know, again, it contributes to a lot of other diseases in your blood and stuff like that. Again, don't take it from me. Please go and research your own as well. Find out more. Unless one day I become a medical professional, you know, take up certification and stuff, so I know what I'm talking about for sure. But at least this much I know so far, which I'm trying to share with you. Again, the point is to raise awareness. Right? The more you go and research and find out for yourself, the more you realize, oh, okay, there is facts, and there is evidence, or there is, again, research done, and why you should do the things you should. You know, everyone now is like eating less sugar and stuff. And just now, yeah, watching that Patriot Act, in this episode on drug, right? I was mentioning about the drug situation in the US. So this lady, oh, I forgot her name, but it's like a granny level senior lady. She makes cooking, pastry, dessert kind of program on TV, and yet the irony is she kept quiet about the fact that she has diabetes, type 2 diabetes. So only in a recent interview or something like she came clean with it. So it's like, and you see the food that she's making is crazy. No, that no sugar. she puts icing sugar on top of icing sugar, and it says that's a bit of salad or something. It's actually just a few pieces of leaves, which is not to be eaten. It's definitely a garnish. And on top, like deep fried food and sugary, more important is very sugary dessert. And she's like making it on TV to make people make it for themselves eat. That's terrible. Like, how herself has diabetes. I mean, that's so ironic and at the same time hypocritical. So that's why I'm very conscious nowadays. Like this afternoon, I did share my friends a KFC, which I've taken down the post. I feel just bad because I shared a post on KFC. And I did write, I'm not advocating that people should go out and buy fast food or processed food. It's just that because what happened was the KFC tomorrow in Singapore, Tuesday, has a promotion. Okay, I'm saying this not to promote them, okay, I don't get money, I don't get paid by them, and I'm not promoting unhealthy eating, okay? That's contradicting what I'm trying to say. But at first, I was just sharing because I thought, okay, people are still going to buy KFC, or those who are fit and healthy, maybe once in a while they just want to treat themselves, or once in a while they just want, a bit of fried stuff, a bit of fast food, just as a, just to enjoy. So tomorrow there's this promo, they get like much cheaper chicken, and there is this Chinese New Year promo where they may win prizes and stuff, so like, go and try it. So, but what happened was, after I posted it, I shared to some of my ex-colleagues, and they're saying that, what are you trying to do? You're fattening me out, and then it's like, then you instead of slimming. So I suddenly felt, oh shit, people do see it that way. Super hypocritical of me, hypocrite of me. So I explained myself and saying that, maybe some of you are more healthy, and some of them are, they go play sports and they're slim. And so I'm just saying that, okay, maybe when you ask one tomorrow there's this promo, just let me know. So yeah, my intention was to save money, or if you can win prizes, all the better. Why not? But on the hindsight, it's so stupid of me because I'm now being actually mind controlled by the fast food industry. Because that's what they want you to think, so you don't have to get past the fast food and the processed food, or basically the unhealthy food, and say, hey, promotion, hey, get this, you may win a chance. And so I realized I became a puppet. And then, oh my god, it's like, I'm quite disappointed in myself actually. I feel like, shit, I am losing the fight there, on the spot. Just because we save a few pennies and I'm encouraging people to eat fast food. I mean, not that I am, but indirectly. Then fuck me. What the hell? So, sorry. If those who have seen it and liked it, I think one person liked it. I deleted the post for that reason. It's wrong on me. I should be promoting, be it even to save a few bucks, because what you save a few bucks in the short run will cost your life in the long run. That's not a motherhood statement, that's something really I truly feel now. So don't. Okay guys, just don't. Yeah. Actually I intended my people in my household to actually go and buy, because like, yes, I do like fried chicken, seriously. Fast food industry, the way they push things, and like I said, the sodium level and everything actually is really, really bad. Best is like, buy fresh veggies and chicken or poultry, or if you're a vegetarian, even better, I guess. I know, okay, I won't say I guess, vegetarian are good, okay, but in Singapore it's just tough, because not a lot of vegetarian food that is cost effective, affordable here, because like I said, we import everything. So to be full vegetarian is not really that cheap, just to fill your stomach as well. So it's a different situation here in Singapore. Unless you grow your own food somehow, again, it takes time and effort. Not everyone has that time and effort. Just like doing this exercise, not everyone would think, the time and effort. But I just got to do it if you're really, really into it. So for me, my strategy so far now, my food has been buying fresh veggies and eggs, milk, and cook at home, eating low or no carbs if possible, and just depend on veggies and tomatoes. So this afternoon, the other day someone shared this thing and it didn't realize or dawn upon me, small cherry tomatoes are actually fruits. and they're high in sugar content compared to whole large tomatoes, which are vegetables. So those are much more healthier, so you should eat those instead. So I bought large tomatoes. I still have my small tomatoes, but I'm going to cut it nowadays. I think I had it too much. It's sweet, they're still sour, but it's just nice, I like it. But large tomatoes are where the health benefits are. And also, from what I read from many other sources as well, for guys over 35, to prevent prostate cancer, eat at least a tomato per day. That helps to fight it, yeah. And tomato, if you didn't know, is the original umami veggie. As you know, umami is that like seafoody, savory taste from usually seafood, you know, usually. You can get it in tomatoes as well. So that kind of taste, yeah. So I made like a mushroom-like soup concoction this afternoon, and I put one large tomato in, and then I chop it out. So yeah, it makes it tastier. And knowing that it helps to fight prostate cancer, isn't that great? So guys, especially, please eat your tomatoes, large ones, not the small cherry ones, which is more sugar loaded. It's a fruit. Yeah, so I didn't know. See, new things that you learn. Yeah. Okay, maybe I'll try to start posting more of such information online and help, you know, educate everyone towards a healthy lifestyle, healthy diet. Okay, so it's about time. 1 more minute to 8:45. I'm exercising for at least half an hour. Yes, I'm keeping only like 50 to 70 kilometers per hour. I'm not out of breath, that's a good thing. Yes, still feeling a bit warm and feverish-like, but it's still manageable. I didn't feel like, oh, I'm gonna die, collapse. And so, with that, it's good. I've been sweating a lot. And today my weight, okay, I'm gonna post up my weight. It went down. It's fantastic. Wait, is this music ending soon? Okay, sorry. That's fun. Okay, so what happened was this afternoon I weighed myself as well. It went down to 109, my god. So, yeah. It went down to 110, okay. So it's 109.5, I think, 1.8. So really, I'm still, maybe this, you know, previously was a little bit more. But again, I don't know. It could be muscle mass loss, which is bad. Okay, so end of the month, it'll be past 30 days, 1 month. Today is day 27, so day 27. And so, let's see what's my health. To begin with, I won't say even begin with, since I already began. What's my health condition at that moment, and hopefully I'm in good shape, and I'll still continue these weeks and months and years into it. Okay, you too, take care and eat healthy, stay fit. Bye.